This is August 29th. I just took the reversal trade based on the liquidity zones as well as our supply and demand system. Even though we're going to talk about it, the setup in detail as a masterclass in one of the webinars, I just wanted to take some live trading videos so that when we go through the webinar to teach you guys the setup, everything, you guys will be able to understand better. So, okay, I think the price is moving. Let me move my stop. I took the same trade in both ES and NQ. Usually I don't do that one, but it's a good way to show you guys in terms of when we see a setup in ES or in NQ, when you see the confluence on both systems, it works on both sides. It's not just on one side. So in this case, it's a good. I'm going to make it as like a close for now. Let's see. I would be best. So in the to give a little bit of information about how the setup works, anytime the liquidity was grabbed, as soon as the liquidity was grabbed, if you see the new sellers coming in right here, you can see that right now liquidity was grabbed here, there are no sellers formed. Liquidity was grabbed, new sellers formed. But look at here, moment the liquidity was grabbed here, new sellers coming in full flow. That's when I took the short trade, reversal trade. As you can see, within like less than a minute, almost like a good profit right here. You know what, let me close it first because I think it's gonna stagnate or a little bit get choppy right here, or it can pull back. Let's see. I'm gonna close it. All right, so now since I'm out of the trade, book the profit, I can explain a little bit in patience right now. For that, let me maximize the screen first. Okay, so this is from the morning. The way I always teach the trading in terms of, you need to have the level 2 order flow, how the market is being controlled, particularly sellers control, buyers control. It's all, price always stays between those two controls. You as a trader, your job is to find who is getting killed, who is gaining the control. This is like just like a war. Let's say the one side is the buyers, other side is the sellers. They are fighting right here for the territory here. Eventually the sellers was broken. What happened? The buyers took over the control a little bit up. So now the buyers control is here, sellers control up here. That means you can see buyers have the momentum, sellers are getting killed, right? So same way you can see right now, and then buyers move the control up, buyers move the control up. Look at this particular control, lot of buyers coming in with the control, right? So at the same time, sellers control lost here, sellers control lost here, sellers control lost here. But why I took the short trade here, not here, not here, not here? The reason is that as soon as the seller's control is lost, there are no new sellers coming in here. That means seller lost the control and just they pushed back. Same way, seller's control was lost. They did not create any new sellers. They pushed back. But look at here. As soon as this particular seller's control was lost, look how many new sellers coming into the market to take over the control. This is what I'm talking about. The liquidity controls the market. Liquidity and the order flow controls the market. Your job is to see who is gaining control, who is losing control, or who is regaining the control. As simple as that. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please email us at info@buysideglobal.com. Most importantly, please subscribe to the YouTube channel where we can show you guys in terms of trading strategies, trade setups, live trades, not different things. We are going to focus only on two things: supply and demand and level 2 order flow. As simple as it gets. We don't want to complicate too much. Trading is already complex. Subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you will get notified anytime we have the new trade video. Thank you so much. Look at that. I closed it. I think now it's on the pullback. So that's why as soon as we see, because the reason I took instead of holding long is because every time the market was like it's always like short swings. It didn't have long swings yet. That's why if we know this is going to have a pullback, take the trade, take your pullback trade, and then exit. We'll go through those things in detail. If you want to learn more about our trade setups, everything, please join our next webinar. First, you need to sign up on the email subscription. We'll notify you. Thank you so much.